Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I've got my Invictas out and I thought I'd tell you a little bit about the Invicta brand because not everybody realizes that the Invicta brand started off life in Switzerland in 1837 and they made some amazing watches, very high quality Swiss movement watches with intricate designs, some lovely looking watches. This is one I bought from eBay fairly recently. I've been tracking down an Invicta watch for a while and this one came up. So I purchased it because I've already got a couple of Invicta watches, and the Invicta watches that I have is a Pro Diver and a Speed Master, which are in the background, which I'll show you
Invicta
in a minute.
Speedway, not Speedmaster.
Anyway, I thought I'd just tell you a little bit about the history of Invicta. The history of the Invicta watch brand is an interesting one that spans over a century. Invicta was initially established as a Swiss watch manufacturer in 1837 by Raphael Picard in La Chaux-de-Fonds, Switzerland. The name Invicta is Latin for invincible or unconquerable, reflecting the brand's vision of creating high-quality timepieces that would stand the test of time. During its early years, Invicta focused on producing innovative and meticulously crafted watches. The brand gained reputation for its exceptional designs and precision movements, which helped it establish a strong presence in the industry. In fact, Invicta's success predates that of Rolex by several decades. Invicta introduced some notable designs in its early years, including pocket watches with complicated movements, such as chronographs and moon phase indicators. The brand was also known for its use of high-quality materials, including precious metals and gemstones, to create exquisite timepieces. In the 1970s, the Swiss watch industry faced a significant crisis due to the rise of quartz watches. Many traditional Swiss watch manufacturers struggled to adapt to the changing market, and Invicta was no exception. The company faced financial difficulties and eventually went out of business in 1991. However, the Invicta brand was revived in that year, 1991, by a group of investors based in the United States. The new management decided to relocate the brand's headquarters to Hollywood, Florida, where it is currently based. This move allowed Invicta to tap into the American market and cater to a broader customer base. Today, Invicta produces a wide range of watches that cater to various styles and preferences. The brand offers everything from classic and elegant timepieces to bold and sporty models. Invicta watches are often characterized by their attention to detail, distinct designs, and affordable price points. When it comes to watch movements, Invicta utilizes both Swiss and Japanese movements in its timepieces. The Swiss movements are often sourced from reliable manufacturers such as ETA or Sellita, while the Japanese movements are typically supplied by companies like Seiko or Miyota. The combination allows Invicta to offer a balance between quality and affordability. Invicta watches are available in different styles, including dress watches, dive watches, chronographs, and more. The brand often incorporates features such as exhibition casebacks, such as my Pro Diver that I have here, luminous hands and markers, and water resistance into its designs. Additionally, Invicta is known for its oversized watches, often referred to as big watches or wrist presents, which have gained popularity among certain audiences. In terms of reputation among watch enthusiasts, Invicta is considered a more accessible and affordable brand compared to high-end luxury manufacturers. While some enthusiasts appreciate Invicta's design and value proposition, others criticize the brand for its reliance on homage designs, which resemble watches from more prestigious brands. However, it's important to note that Invicta has produced original designs that have garnered praise within the watch community. Overall, Invicta's history reflects its resilience and ability to adapt to changing market dynamics. The brand continues to produce a wide range of watches, very wide, that appeal to a diverse customer base, combining reliable movements and eye-catching designs at affordable prices. So, as you can see, I've got a couple of the homage style Invictas, the Speedster, which I have on my wrist.
Speedway,
And before
not
that, I was
Speedster.
showing you the Pro Diver, which is the 42mm. And I'm really happy with both of them. I do like the Invicta watch brand. I think they are a way of getting into a watch for not too much money, a good quality watch. And, they're pretty hard to beat. People knock them, but I think they're pretty good, to be honest with you. And it's a good place to start a watch collection. And from there, I got more interested in watches, and that's why I keep on collecting. Thanks, guys.